the way out to the cabin. I got a couple of projects that I hope that I'll get done maybe today. First thing I want to do is in the camper. Had a little leak. It's been taken care of for a good while now. And unfortunately it got to the floor just to the left of the door, right up against the wall. It's a little small spot, but it's a soft spot there. Hope it's going to be an easy fix. Have to cut a hole there, see what the thickness of the plywood is, and that truck wanted my side of the road too.
A jam.
Yeah.
And there are songs that are, they call, it's screwed down now. This beer is better than the first one.
Well, I know Skippy likes Miller Lights.
Are you like a Pilsner too, Skip?
I like Miller Lite.
Well, you like an old Milwaukee.
I used to drink them.
Or, no, the Pabst Blue Ribbon. A Pabst Blue Ribbon actually is good.
It is. It's got a little sweeter taste.
If you like Miller Light, Pabst Blue Ribbon is really close. PBR is good though. I like it too.
It's sweeter.
Boss of the Swamp drinks PBR.
That is the ultimate redneck beer.
That's the old time. Yep.
That's you. OG redneck.
Me and Vic used to drink Schlitz all the time.
Schlitz is good cold.
We used to be cheap.
Yeah.
When Natural came out, it was really a little cheaper beer. It still was one of the cheapest to buy. Natural's a good beer, though.
I thought 15 and some change for a 24 packet yesterday.
Yep. Natural's still not bad.
Whew. Should have done that a long time ago. That finishes this up. So that spot on the floor had to be patched because of how this door jamb works. And they didn't flash it in, so they just have this aluminum frame. It's kind of spot welded, but this seam was open and water was coming in and going back through the door here and just running out and pulling up on the floor. That's what rotted that section out. It wasn't a leak inside the wall or in the camper. It was just water that could migrate right here. Once we put this deck out here, I have a lot of water that splashes off of the deck back onto the camper. So that made it even worse. I see that the caulk that I used is already given up. So I'll have to cut that back out, clean it real good, and get some caulk back in there before we have that damage start back again. But that wasn't too bad of a patch. I had to cut the original plywood out that was in bad shape. And fortunately, the way the joists and the floor ran, I just married 2x4s all the way around to the existing floor joists and seal. And that gave me something for the plywood to mount down on and be real good and solid. I did do a brace across, so it's real strong right there. Actually, the floor is probably a little more stable or stiff than the rest of the floor in the camper because of the extra support. Now that's a fix for this. Moving on to another project before I have to head out today.